Hey, welcome back to the channel guys. Hopefully you're doing absolutely amazing. In this tutorial we are going to learn again in Java, and in Java we are going to learn about nested if. So what is nested if you want to know, so for that you must watch the whole video. So let's begin, and as you can see the syntax of nested if. So first of all, you need to write a condition, if condition, and then again any condition. After that, you need to write your code, what you want to execute. After that, as you can see that it is used to test the condition, and one of inside another if is called nested if. So let's go to the code section and make a code and write the code, and after that we will watch how it actually works. So now guys, we are on the coding area. So as you can see, package name is there, class is there, main folder is there. So directly we are going to write our code. So let's declare an teaser, and let's declare as 10. Let's give the value, okay, sorry, 30. So now 30. So if what will be the condition? The condition will be if num is greater than 10. So this condition will run. After that, let's create another condition if num is less than 20. So what will be the, let's create a system dot out dot println as usual, and we'll write the number. Let's write simply this is first. It means this will execute our first, and after that let's write another system dot, is it right, dot out dot println, and let's write this is second. So let's write let's run the program. Let me tell you, first of all we have declared num is equals to 30. It means our number will be 30. After that the num is equals to 10. As you can imagine that this is the limit and this is the greatest value. So from that we will get the output. So let's run this program. So as you can see it is building, and it is, sorry, I think we have missed, is it right now? Yep, it is. So let's run it again, because you must use all the curly braces. And this is second, it is showing that this is second, this program is running. This is second because 30 is greater than 10 but not less than 20. So let's write something which is less than 20 and greater than 10. Let's write at 15. So here, and let's run it again. So now the output will be this is first and this is second. Both are the output, as you can see. So that is how nested works. So hopefully guys you have enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt you can ask me on the comment section, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye bye.